Hello, everyone. It's that time of the week again. Here we go. Gonna do a nice stock market weekly recap. So, let's just say, pretty decent week. Well, I mean, it was all good up until one day here. If we look at our five day chart here, pretty stagnant week, but obviously Friday kind of killed us a little bit. We'll go into that shortly. So, over the week, down 1.5%. Not looking good. I don't like that. 1.05 actually. Don't want to get that confused with 1.5%. Definitely not. Still up for the month. 3 months still up. Up 15.4 year to date, and still up for the 1 year as well. So that's what we're looking at there. That's for the Dow here. Get into the S&P. See what we can do. Similar story, obviously. You're pretty much going to see this with every major index. Whenever all the major indices, whenever one drops, it's usually all of them because investors are dropping out of and selling certain stocks, and that's how it goes. So this one only down 0.5 for the week, so not awful. Could be worse. Still up 5% for the month. 1.4% for 3 months, and 19.36% up for the year to date. Nice. And up 2.13 for the year. Pretty cool. Spotlight stock I want to point out here would be Align Technology. So over the week, actually, Align went up somewhere around 5.3%. And what's the main reasoning behind this? Obviously, you see really stagnant until the 19th. And this is because of Align Technology inks an agreement with Zimmer Biomet Holdings, dental unit, to distribute its iTero Element line of intraoral scanners. Zimmer customers will also have access to its Invisalign clear aligners as part of the comprehensive offering. Cool. Select countries in Europe. Availability in U.S., Canada, and Japan commence next month. So this is obviously good news for Align, just in the fact that they are expanding their brand more. Align to me is a pretty interesting stock, obviously, because they are the ones who make Invisalign, which are the invisible braces. Certainly a more considerable option nowadays. A lot of people do that a lot for the cosmetic aspect of it. But they also make scanners, as you see those intraoral scanners, so they can scan your mouth and get a better idea of what they're working with in terms of shape, sizes. Everyone's got a different mouth, so it's always something you need to have scanned. And obviously, partnering up with someone is a good way for them to go out and get some more recognition out there and have more people know about it. I think Align stock's going to be pretty decent coming up. I think a lot of people are going to be turning to Invisalign braces in the future. So unless a main competitor comes in the market, which there isn't right now, it'd be interesting to look at. So that's Align for you. We're going to go into the NASDAQ now. I love how it's starting me all the way down there, but we want to go up here. We're turning to the 5-day, and it's the same exact chart as everyone else. Wow. 5-day down 0.72, 1 month up 4.7, 3 months up 1%, and year to date up 22.34%. Nice. 1 year up 1.64 as well. Not so nice. So as far as the spotlight here, again, there's so many garbage penny stocks. I'm going to finally go in and show you why I hate penny stocks. Starting with Good Times Restaurant here. Good Times Restaurant is officially up only 6.25% today, or on the week. But on the day was up 14.37. So why do I hate penny stocks? Well, I think it's pretty obvious. It's a piece of garbage. So 36 different stores. I've never been to them, obviously, because it says in Colorado and Wyoming is where they exist. No freaking clue what they are. No news at all. Cannot find a single piece of news that says why this stock is up 13%. No idea. Or 14%. No idea. I don't have anything. And this is why penny stocks are pure garbage. Do we need to look at this chart? So at its peak, $9, down 81% from its peak. Are you kidding me? In 4 years, it lost 81% of its value because it's garbage penny stock. And this is a minor case, if you're being 100% honest. Let's look at the max chart. So whenever clearly it IPO'd at $45. So let's just go from IPO. It's down 96.22% of your value. So you pretty well just lost all your money. There's no point in even, making any case for that. You've lost all your money. A garbage. Wow. And I don't know the history of this thing. Clearly IPO'd looks like 1992. Yeah. I had no clue about this restaurant. Clearly it looks like a fast food chain, but goodness me. Penny stocks are trash. This is why I usually avoid them. There's only a few I'll mess with, and the ones that I believe actually have a chance here. A company like this, just don't see it. I don't know what's going on there, so goodness. Anyways, let's move on from this garbage stock. What moved the markets this week? What caused Friday to be so crappy? We would have been up, I think, or at least neutral. So stocks limp into the weekend after China officials cut U.S. visits short. Well, screw you, China. Stocks end the week on a sour note. I don't know why. Richard Nixon. After a midday report says China trade delegation, which had visited D.C. for talks, abruptly canceled its plans to visit Montana. Well, I mean, if you've seen Montana and its population of 3 people, I don't blame them. Actually, Montana is a very beautiful state. I don't know if you know that, but it's a very beautiful state. There's no one that lives there, so that's why it's even more beautiful. Love it. Weather's wonderful up there. I'm going to move there one day. Oh, yeah. You know it. I'm going to be living there one day. The weather's beautiful. Scenery's beautiful. I love Montana. Anyways, these China officials don't know what they're doing. News knocks stocks into the red, promoting renewed worries about how much progress really has been made on the U.S.-China trade talks. Valid. Obviously, we have an important meeting coming up in October, so microphone has attacked me out of nowhere. Today's losses locked in a negative week for the major averages. Yeah, we just went over that. Thanks for being late to the news. I had it first. S&P down 1.1%. Consumer discretionary is down 1.2%. Worst performers of the day. Widening losses in the afternoon. All right, healthcare was up and utilities was up. Look at that. Today's trading volume came well above average. Well, what a shocker. Well above average because people were scared like little babies. And they're stupid and killing my market. How dare they? Anyways, that's your weekly update right there. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't invest in these garbage stocks. Good Times Restaurants. I'm sorry, Good Times, but I don't have a good time when I'm investing in your stock. So that's about it.